Who's gonna be first? Hey, Hacky, it's you. First and foremost. Hello, Jeffrey. Right. Whoa, what the fuck? Why is it so high pitched? Okay, wait, I need to restart Unity. That is fuckity fucked in the arsehole. Hello, Toby. Hello, Dirtful. Because birth. Wow, a lot of people. A little early, so you gotta go. Oh, I'm sorry. But see you later, Hacky. Right, today's gonna be a short stream, cause I do need to go at 10:26. So let's do some stuff. How are all of you doing on this fine Saturday? You know, I open up Unity, start the stream, and it already just fucks up. Isn't that just great? Let's see, is the pitch still super high? Okay, no, it's fixed itself. Good. Good! I don't have to diagnose the situation in this scenario. Okay, so, where did we leave off? Also, I should be maximizing the screen. There we go. Where did we leave off? So he throws the bomb, and it explodes you. Okay. Cool. Cool, okay. Hello, Jose. Hola. Your PC broke because of crackback and Memesy's new game. Memesy's new game? Crackback and Memesy? What the fuck is that? How they flex, it was number 10 for a while. It's not even on the leaderboard. What? Make the boom damage. Oh yes, the damage. That's what I need to do. It actually needs to do damage. So, how do we do that? Well, it should be quite simple, really. It just needs to... I swear I wrote it down. Do I have a Trello to do? Here, this. Make the explosion have a force field, which is done, and do damage to Aya's health. Okay, so the explosion needs a script, and then it needs a trigger. It needs to get all of the components with that overlap the trigger on the first frame only. Or should it be the first frame, or should it be like a few seconds? Hello, Intemnia. You're a huge fan. You don't speak in chat, but you're in the previous stream spoke in chat. I want to say my work is amazing. One day I'll be famous for all the hard work. Why, thank you. I appreciate the kind words. Yes, one day Memoring Man will be famous. I don't want to take any of the fame from him. He is the true G. Is there a version with the NOR uploaded? You can't find it. Does the latest version not have open the NOR? No, of course it does. Yeah, on the GitHub. It's not on Mac though. It was only Windows, waiting for Unity 2023 to come out, or for them to fix the goddamn bug. But yeah, so we need. I've definitely played levels with the doors. Hey Ethan, how to make using custom thing interface or something? What interfaces? What are you talking about? You're gonna have to be a bit more specific. So let's go to the what the fuck boom. Okay. And we need to make a script. Do we not have a script already for this bad boy? Oh, we do. Wait, no we don't. It's Weed Nog Bomb. We need one for what the fuck boom. So, create C# script, what the fuck boom. Okay. Progress, comrade. And I think just to keep it simple, it should just do damage on the first frame. So as soon as it spawns. So basically in the start function. Before the first frame. So, so the what the fuck boom needs a trigger around it in order to detect which enemies or players are in it and then do damage to them. TMP Pro uses something from a library, right? Oh, how to make your own. Oh, the using. Yeah, you just do a namespace. It's called namespaces. You can look that up. Okay, so this green circle right now is a trigger, but that's the trigger that we use to do force field knockback. Because the reason it's offset slightly downwards is because when the bomb hits Mimorang Man, if it's in the center, then Mimorang Man doesn't go flying back because the center of the force field would be right here in the center of the explosion, and that is apparently not the right angle to send Mimorang Man flying upwards. We want him to go upwards because it looks weird otherwise. It just looks like, you know, nothing happens. He gets like exploded into the ground and nothing really happens. So that's why this is like that. But I don't want to use this same trigger for the damage. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a child damage area, and then I'm going to add a trigger, not a trigger, a circle collider, I reckon. Hello, lazy man. Could make a fake NOR which makes the door stuck sound to play not alien. I could do. That's effort though. We have so much to do. Okay, so the damage radius could just be that. Man, the what the fuck boom is just a bit too big, like this outer one. Ugh, I don't know. Okay, I just need to get comfortable doing that. Okay, actually that's good. That's fine. Okay, so the damage area. So the script should be called what the fuck boom damage area. So I'm actually just going to delete the script and remake it because it's just easier, because the mono behavior name needs to be the exact same as the script name, otherwise Unity starts crying and I have to delete meme game. Man, I'm so glad they introduced experimental reloading. Sorry, fast reloading. It used to be experimental. Otherwise, you guys would have to wait fucking 69 years for me to compile my game every time I made a change to a script. What the fuck boom damage area. Yeah, I know, I should be using namespaces more. I just can't be fucked. I didn't also know about it when I first started, and it's just like I can't be bothered to go back and do it. I use namespaces for things like my my utils. So I've got like extensions, number extensions. It's in namespace etggame.extensions, and then public static class, and I have all these lovely extensions I've made that make life really easy, and probably mostly copied from Stack Overflow, but that's life. That's what all the people say. So start. Okay, so we need a reference to the private collider 2D collider, which we can get in Awake, and Copilot will just automatically complete that for me. And then in start, what we'll do is we'll do this dot overlap. How to get a list of triggers it's overlapping with. Also, did I make that a collider or a trigger? I don't think I made it a trigger. Load. Damage area. Should be a trigger. Yeah, okay. Unity get overlapping colliders with trigger 2D. 1D? Yeah, let's make a one-dimensional game on a 1D device. Overlap collider? What's this? Get a list of colliders that overlap this collider. That's exactly one. So dot over, it was overlap collider. Get a list of all, I should have just read the description, it was right there. Idea, weapon baller, ball, a red bouncing ball from the baller meme, which was thrown on news. What's the baller meme? Oh my god, no, I can't do Roblox. That's a disgrace to humanity. Let me just copy and paste my use of overlap collider from somewhere else. Here we go. I can just, oh, lovely. So, layer mask. We don't want to use a layer mask. We just want to What if we do on trigger enter instead? Enter 2D. Then we can just do... Then we can have a time... File was not found. Weed nug bomb. Okay, well, the animation of this explosion sets the force field off after at this frame, on the 3rd frame. So what we could do is just have an animation event that gets called, and once that animation event gets called, we stop the damage from being dealt. So that actually the force field lines up with the damage. So if an enemy or a player gets thrown back from the force field, they also get damage done. I think that's a good approach. And then we can just use on trigger enter instead of all this pizzazz. Don't know what the Illuminati would do, but you think should add it in some way. I should. You can reference a script without needing to actually guess it from inheritance with namespaces. That is a very confusing sentence right there. Yeah. Without needing to get it from inheritance. This is inheritance right here. This is inheriting from mono behavior. Namespaces just means that it's just a way to organize it. So if you, like, for example, here's a good example, right? So I have my own scene manager, and it's called scene manager, but Unity also has a scene manager. And if I were to use scene manager straight up, how would C# and Unity know which scene manager I'm talking about? Like, they both have the same name. So what you do is you make your own namespace, and then you can say at the top which one you want to use. So you can say using ETG Games scene management or Unity Engine scene management, and it'll use that one. Or you can just do it like directly, like you can do, you know, ETG Games .scene management .scene manager like that. But then that's just like longer, so people usually just do using that at the top. You're welcome. A little primer on namespaces. Okay, so on trigger enter. So we'll have a public event. We also don't need this anymore. A public void handle handle force field, handle explosion force field off. Explosion force field finish, turn off. Yeah, sure. Of Cheers, Jeff. And then that will say, that will set private bool is finished force field, is force field off, starts as false, and then when it gets turned off, we set the bool to true. And that way, in on trigger enter, if is force field is off, if it's off, then return. Yeah. But if it's on, then we do damage. So we do, well, first we'll try getting has health component equals other dot get component I has health. And then if that is not null, then that means we can actually do damage to that thing that has health. So health dot decrease health by, and we decrease it by the well, we need to pass that in. So I'll pass it in as a serialized field so I can set it in the inspector in case I want to change it in the future. It's just easier to set it in the inspector. Private float damage, I won't give it a default value. Mattress firm conspiracy, I'll check that in a sec. Actually, on trigger enter, if health is null, it decreases the health. Is that right? Should be. Yeah. That should just be it. Oh, I love clean code. Let's look at this meme and then test it out. I need to also remember to put it in the inspector. Mattress firm conspiracy. Damn. Is there a conspiracy? Money laundering. Yeah, mattresses contain a bunch of money in them. Don't purchase mattresses often enough to warrant the brand's quantity in stores. That's kind of true. Damn. What is the conspiracy? I can't be bothered to read it. But it's true. That's facts, for real. Also, my camera is being sussy-gussy today. How to get variables from them, you made it in a namespace and also did a variable public. So you have to do using that namespace at the top, or you have to do the namespace dot and then the variable. But you need an instance, or you can make it static. Like yeah, so it has to be either static or you need some kind of like singleton reference to the instance. And I have a lovely singleton mono behavior which you guys can take. This one I use everywhere, and it's got everything you need, and it lets you do singletons. And there you go. I just sent it to you. You're welcome. My god, it's getting sent everywhere. Highly recommend you look into singletons. It's kind of like the only way to do anything properly in Unity, because there's no other way for like unrelated components to communicate. Oh, it doesn't show fully. I said on the Discord. Send on stream chat. Ooh, fucked it. Okay. Cool. Damage area. Okay, so we need to... How much damage should this do? Also, we didn't even put the script on it. What the fuck? Boom, damage area. It's not in here, is it? No, okay, good. Damage area. Damage. Well, it's an explosion, so it should probably do, like, quite a bit of damage. Maybe 15? Oh, yeah, I need to add the animation event here as well. So I'll just go to the frame, add this function. Bro. Oh my days. It's not on the child. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a tiny bit more code because it's on the child. What the fuck, boom. This will just be a simple script. And then what the fuck, boom. We will just have the same thing, handle explosion force, and then here it will just be called, well, we'll just make this public, fuck it, I don't even care anymore. We'll rename this to is force field off, so we can just set it from here. So handle explosion force field off, we'll just get component in children. The what the fuck boom damage area dot is force field off equals true, and now we should have access to it from the animation event. Cool. Yeah, this singleton took me so long to get right, because like there's like so many different ways you can make singletons, but this is like the most useful and just best way. I think I like started off by copying off someone else who like got loads of upvotes for it, and then I like slightly modified it to make it even better. It's just so useful, man. Life is easy with these singletons. It's technically not great practice because it's a global object, but this doesn't need to be. We'll just hide it in inspector. Hide in inspector. I'm not going to save it just yet. Okay, I'll drag the script onto what the fuck boom, and cool. It should now, and now I can put it in the animation event function. Handle explosion force field turn off. Lovely. And let's see if it does damage. 15 damage. That's a big amount. That's a hefty amount. Nope, it does not do damage. Why does it not do damage? On trigger enter 2D. Maybe this is not being called? Let's put a little debug point, see if it's actually getting triggered. Add a sad moe, an object with physics every time the vine boom plays. The object stuns it. Sad moe. What's that? I could add that as a separate thing actually. Linus the second. Yeah, this meme is already like too packed. It has too many. We still have to do the joints and everything, which are weapons. There's so many memes in this one. I mean, they're all like weed related, but it needs to be MLG dank, so. Dankness. Okay, so we put a breakpoint here. Boom. Oh, get component in parent, probably. Because if it collides with one of the child's colliders, then it will, it won't work. Okay, let's see if this works first. I can turn off the debugger. I do need to add the Easter Island head. Is that what's called? Moi. 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 Okay. Why does it... Okay. Oh, I think what happened there... Okay, well, at least it's doing damage. But it just insta-killed me. And I think what happened there was that the trigger did damage on every single one of Memoring Man's body colliders. And he has, like, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has 10. So 10 times 15 is 150, which is more than the 100 health he has. So, that insta-killed him. Why is it... Is it stuttering? Just insta-kills him. That is so sad. This poor man. What about Matt? Does it insta-kill Matt as well? Yeah, it insta-kills everything. Okay, so to get around this, we could just save the eye has health that it's already done damage to and check if it's already done damage to it, and if so, don't decrease the health again. I think that's the only way, to be honest. Private hash set of eye has health. Nope. Health. 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 Fuck's sake. Eye has... There we go. Copilot is sometimes annoying. It gets in the way of the actual IntelliSense. They could make it a bit better. Eye has health. Already... Holy fuck. How does it know already damaged? How does it know? That it has to have such a deep understanding of what the code is doing to predict that's what I wanted to do. That is mad. AI is mad. Oh my god, we live in a society. Already damaged. Okay, so we decrease health and we add it to this with a capital A. And let's see, will it be able to... Oh, and it does. It completes the if statement just without enough brackets. Hello, Proby Cool. I don't know. Oh, you changed your name. Asking for my eyebrows. Well, good luck with that. It ain't gonna happen. How many scripts do I have, Rethan boy? I have a lot of scripts. It's good to separate your code out into lots of different scripts. Maybe hundreds, maybe thousands, I don't know. I just make a new script for every little thing I need. Every object, every item in the game. There's really no limit to how many scripts you can make. Sunlight. Oh yes, there's sunlight in the background. So I'm streaming during the daytime. Oh, is that what you mean? Alright, now it should not insta-kill Memoring Man. Please. Just do... Okay, cool, look, it does 15 damage. Perfect. Perfect. Why is it stuttering though every once in a while? Should we check the profiler and see what's happening? Profiler. Oh wait. Okay, we get it. You want to open the door? Just don't. Oh, fuck. I should do it manually. Where is it? Analysis. Where is this? Analysis. Why is it glitching out so hard? Okay. Where was it? File. Nope. Edit. Nope. Assets. Nope. Nope. Oh wait, I can just go to window. Here it is. Analysis. Profiler. Cool. Okay. You're on Twitch. Me only makes 20 scripts and thinks he has a love script. You ain't making a meme game. Okay, let's increase this size a bit. And let's see where all of... Did you know in the old version of Unity, you had to pay to get access to the profiler? So these spikes... Let's analyze these spikes, see what's happening. How do I, Okay, player loop, fixed update, simulate. Compile contacts. So it's probably the force field explosion. Whoa, let me do it for you. On collision enter. Whoa, that's taking up 71%. Sound manager. What the fuck? On collision enter. Let's see that. Let me do it for you. On collision enter. Start doing nose routine. Audio source dot play. So only if it's a player. Get handle load fmod. What the fuck is load fmod sound? I'll check in a sec if, what that is. It's just audio source.play though. Maybe that's just an exception and it's not representative. Okay, let's continue. Let's try again. There, you see it fucking glitched the fuck out. Let's see. Again. So this time, what was it? Editor loop? Oh, maybe it's just the Unity editor. These spikes are just the editor. Which is fine. It's just Unity being slow. Let's try again. Null reference exception. Okay, let's try this again. Just want to make sure it's not Snoop Dogg or anything.
Guess what, bitch?
Editor loop, yeah, so these spikes are editor loops. Okay. Fine. So that means if let me reset my layout. So if I delete Snoop Dogg, it should still stutter, in theory. Or maybe Snoop Dogg was causing the editor to lag. Maybe he is, I don't know. Oh, yeah, see, it started there. That was probably an editor thing. Yep, there it started again. Okay. That's fine. Let's see what this meme is. It's not even a link. I have to select it manually. Fluffing a duck. What the fuck is that? Cringe. This ain't even a meme. Cringy. Okay, cool. He does damage. I'm happy with that. He does damage to anything with health. Look at that. Look at the health bar. When he gets hit, goes down. 15. Is that enough? Yeah, I reckon 15 is probably fair. Can I add the meme song? Where is it a meme from? Why is it a meme? It just sounds like generic shitty YouTuber music. I don't want to be a normie. I wanna be a real boy. Okay. We did explode, doing knockback with explosion effect. What the fuck? Boom, sound, stop, bomb tick. We've done that. So now we have to do send joints that emit from the explosion in all directions and get stuck like a shard when hitting a floor enemy or any meme item. So now we need to make a weapon that's a joint. And it burns enemies. Okay. Do I have a joint PNG? I also need to go soon. 2D. Wait, actually, I've got one in Meme Game 1. I think that was a pretty good one. Let's see. Finder, projects, old games. All these Flappy Bird on drugs. Ye Olde Meme Game 1. And then get info. Wait, no, it's show package contents. And then it should be in images. We gotta find this joint. Yeah, I'm not gonna add it just because that doesn't have copyright. It has to be a good meme as well. Look at all these assets from Meme Game 1. This is what copyright is. What if I change it to gallery? No, not gallery. Will that help me? Oh, I can just see them really quickly down here. Or can I? Maybe I should just open it. Oh, but then I have to pay for Game Salad. That's annoying. Okay, I'll do it as a icons that we can actually see. Okay, let's find this fucking joint. Jesus. Better be worth it. This joint better be good. Enjoy the music while looking through old memes. Also, I made a TikTok and then I started getting roasted for old memes that oh, it's 2023, bro. I'm like, yeah, well, they teach history lessons. They teach Roman history in history lessons, so, you know. This is an art. This is a piece of art. This is history. We can have old memes. That's fine. Memes are beautiful and no one appreciates them except for us. Saul Goodman 69. What's this? As a power up. Mr. Beast as a power up. Oh, wait, get out of my way. Dude, this like fucking photoshopped as fuck face. That is mad. I could do, to be honest. Come on, jointy joint. Where are you? Can you imagine most of Meme Game 1's file size was just all these like frames of all these animations? I did not care at all about the file size of this game. Fuck her right in the pussy. Gangnam Style. Putin. Okay, he's smoking there. Hey, hello, max res default. Oh yeah, that's not that good. I reckon we could find a better one than that. But what I'll do is I'll still save it into Meme Game assets just in case I can't find a better one. And if we are using this, I should remove the green line from around it. Do I post separate images for animation or only a GIF? Nope, Unity does not support GIFs and it's very annoying. You have to have either a sprite sheet or a PNG sequence. 2D joint 2D PNG. Maybe I could like roll one and take a picture of it. That would be kind of funny. Ah. Could use this. I'll save that just in case. In meme game assets. Asset library. Meme game assets. Why the fuck is Adobe autosave here? Okay. Why is it? Date added. There we go. MLG Weed Joint 2D. Hello Lego. Oh, it's a shame. I'm about to leave now. You missed the stream of Snoop Dogg. MLG Weed Joint 2D PNG. I guess it's that. I guess it's what we just downloaded. That's the best one. That's quite MLG as well. Like that perspective, it like starts off small and goes big. It's like coming towards you. I feel like that's quite MLG. And I can't really find a better one. That one's got watermarks. Alright. We'll go with that one. So, Photoshop. Or you can't do that. This thumbnail sucks. Okay, let's see if Photoshop's object selection tool will be good enough. Flipping tables, yeah, I should actually. I'll add that. That should be meme text. Is it even supported in meme game right now? Like, does the fallback font support it? Surely it does, because I added like this massive roboto. Nope, it does not. Oh, because it's trying to do impact, maybe? Roboto? Nope, it is not supported. That's what the flip table looks like. I mean, it could be an image. I'll add this to the meme list. It's called Flipping Tables. Gotta just copy it, see if that works. Oh my god. Flip. Add your eyebrows, or you can't do that. I can't do that, I'm sorry. I don't have it in me. Well, actually, maybe I will. Maybe. I don't know. I probably won't. If I get 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, I'll add my eyebrows. How about that? So you gotta be my chief marketing officer and get me 10,000 subscribers. Alright, and they can't be paid for. Don't pay for them, because I'll just ruin my channel. They have to be legit. Okay. Me Morang Man. Okay, I have to go. We made good progress today. He does damage. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright. Fine, I'll look at this final last meme before I click the off button. I cannot
Epic
control.
rap battles of his Eminem. IPS. Begin. My name is Eminem and I like to rap.
Lovely. I used to watch epic rap battles back in the days. Good stuff. Alright, see you later, fellas.